Before starting my NIT journey, I want to introduce a software which I use to recover my deleted photos and videos, and because of that software, I am able to share my journey with you. So let's start. The software which I used to recover my lost files is Wondershare Recover It. This software is one of the most professional data recovery software that can recover your lost, deleted, formatted data, including your photos, videos, documents, and other files from Windows, Mac, SD card, hard drives, and other storage devices. Once you open Wondershare Recover It, after downloading it, you will eventually land to this window where you can recover a file immediately. Here you have different options. You can also change the language based upon your preference, and here you can see hard disk drives, your external devices. If you plugged in a USB, you can also select a specific location. So this includes your recycle bin, desktop, and specific folder. It also has a advanced recovery option. I plugged in my USB and I want to start recovering my files from this location. It will then process the deleted files on USB. It usually takes some time to process. Once the downloading is complete, it will show total number of files and also the dates. As you can see here, you can either choose a file path or a file type. In file type, it includes photos, videos, documents, etc. And also in photo, it further grouped the specific format. I want to recover some photos which I deleted accidentally. Here I opened the photo tab because this is where I want to recover my photo. By clicking on a specific file, we can preview it to check if we want to recover it or not. To recover something, click the checkbox icon, then click recover button. Choose a particular folder where you want to save a particular file. You can just open the folder and check the recovered file. It will automatically open a window where you saved it. And here are my recovered photos from my USB. It is also helpful if you deleted your school files, project files, work files accidentally. So guys, this is all about Wondershare Recover It. It is very helpful software. So if you want to try this, the link is provided in description box and in pinned comment.
Your pretty eyes make me smile, and your little fits make me stay with you. Eyelashes moving softly, little arms make me love you. Ooh, babe, I love you so much, so much. Ooh, babe, I wanna stay with you. Your pretty eyes make me smile, and your little fits make me stay with you. Eyelashes moving softly, little arms make me love you. Always be the light things on used to. Wanna do is be with you. Always be the light things on used to. Your pretty eyes make me smile, and your little fits make me stay with you. Eyelashes moving softly, little arms make me love you. Ooh, babe, I love you so much, so much. Ooh, babe, I wanna stay
पास में दांत दिखा गया।